I am Mamda Shabbat, teacher, Government High School, Shamu. I am going to deliver English lecture for class 8. Today, dear students, you know that we are reading the poem number 2, that is Porus and his elephant. I have explained 2 stanzas of this poem yesterday. Today, I am going to recite it as more 3 stanzas, 3 or 4 stanzas. First of all, I will start today these 2 stanzas. I will tell you more about this, the writer of this poem, that is Mary Dobson. Mary Dobson is poetess. The full name of Mary Dobson is Rosemary D. Brassic Dobson. Rosemary D. Brassic Dobson. She is an Australian poet. And she was born on 18 June 1920. Born on 18 June 1920 in Sydney, Australia. And died on 27 June 2012. 27 June 2012. Canberra, Australia. Australian poet. She published 14 volumes of poetry. Very famous poet. She writes Porus and his elephant. I have already told you yesterday that it's a legend, ballad, story told in verses. When an elephant saved the life of his master and himself died. Today I am going to recite it as 3rd stanza. You will open your books at your home, page number 52. I will recite this 3rd stanza of this poem. Drawn up his elephants in array, standing in state in unbroken rank, while Alexander the Great for fray led up his troops on the other bank. Pyrrhus raged the fight, it was hard to tell what would be tied, and they fought the more, till from his elephant a sudden fell Porus the king, who was wounded sore. Then did the elephant, the faithful beast, for his defense play a gallant part, standing above him, lest ever the least harm should assail him from below or dart. When the elephant brought his master, and the master Porus, they run away to defend his country, to attack his enemies out on the plain where the waters go, on a plain field where there was a river flowing, out on the banks of the Jahlim Wide. Perhaps it was the river Jahlim where the struggle started. Porus the king went to meet his foe, and Porus king, he went to meet his enemy, to attack his enemy, to defend his country. Porus the king, in his battle pride, and Porus achieved a great success. It was yesterday's, now today, drawn up his elephant in an array. Porus, he placed his elephants in such an order, standing in a state in unbroken rank, that the order was in such an order. He arranged their elephants, he suited their elephants, he standing their elephants, that is, it was very hard to broke the line. While Alexander the Great go for fray, and on another side, the enemy of force was the Alexander Great. He was ready for the fight, for the attack, led up his troops on the other bank. He led up his troops, he led up his armies on other side, troops armies on other side. Alexander set up his armies on another side of the river Jhelum. Pyrrhus ragged the fight. The fight was so violent that it was very hard to tell what would happen in the fight, what would be tied, what would happen, be tied. What would happen? लड़ाई ऐसी हुई वहां पे, हमला ऐसा हुआ वहां पे, बिल्कुल ये मुश्किल था, ये कहना मुश्किल था कि क्या होने वाला है, कोई नहीं कह सकता था वहां पे. एंड दे फॉर द मोर, बिल्कुल लड़ाई और बढ़ती गई, जंग और बढ़ता गया. टिल फ्रॉम हिज एलिफेंट, तब तक जब तक इसके हाथी, अलेक्जेंडर के हाथी सडन फेल, तब तक जब तक इसके हाथी अचानक बिल्कुल वो गिर पड़ी. पोरस द किंग हु वाज वांटेड सोर, और जो पोरस था ये इस मुखालिफ एक इस जहलम के एक मुखालिफ तरफ की तरफ था, एक साइड पे था, तो अपने दुश्मन के एक तरफ था, तो बिल्कुल ये जख्मी की हालत में गिर पड़ा. Then did the elephant faithful beast, और इसके बाद इसका ये वफादार हाथी, एक जानवर, इसके मदद के लिए आगे आता है. फॉर हिज डिफेंस प्ले अ गलंट पार्ट, एक बहुत बड़ा बहादुर एक ये रोल निभाता है, एक मर्दाना रोल निभाता है ये इसका हाथी. ही प्ले अ ग्रेट ब्रेव पार्ट, स्टैंडिंग अबव हिम लेस्ट एवर द लीस्ट, और अपने इस मालिक के आगे ये रहता है, और उसके आगे रहता है इसका हाथी. हार्म शुड अजेल हिम फ्रॉम बिलो अ डॉट, जो भी बर्छियां, जो भी इस छोटी छोटी मिसाइल, जो भी ये हथियार वो वहां उस अलेक्जेंडर की तरफ से आए, सब उस हाथी ने अपने जिस्म पे ले ली, अपने इस पोरस इस बादशाह को बचाने के लिए. सब उसने अपने जिस्म पे ले लिए, सब उसने सहा, लेकिन उसको बचाया. ट्रम्पटिंग लाउडली, और ये पोरस, ये एलिफेंट जो है, ये बिल्कुल वहां पे उसने गरजना वहां पे शुरू किया. क्राइंग, ही क्राइड लाउडली, ही हेल्ड एट बे, और उनको पिछाड़ दिया, अपने उन दुश्मनों को पिछाड़ दिया. फॉर मैन विद एरो आर स्पीयर आर स्वॉर्ड, वो जो आदमी अलेक्जेंडर के आदमी थी, कोई बर्छी लेके था, कोई तीर लेके था, कोई कमान लेके था, उसने उनको पीछे हटा दिया, वापस जाने पे मजबूर किया. चैलेंज्ड देम ऑल टू अप्रोच देयर प्रे, बिल्कुल उनको तबाही की तरफ भेज दिया, उनको डिस्ट्रैक्ट किया, उनको अपनी तरफ उनको भेज दिया. Dared them to injury his wanted lord, उसने फिर उस अपने उस मालिक को, अपने उस लॉर्ड को उस पे उसको वहां से उठाया और एक उस जगह पे ले चला जहां बिल्कुल वो जगह सेफ थी, वहां पे उसको छोड़ दिया इस एलिफेंट ने। अब इसके 2 स्टेंजास रह गए हैं, स्टेंजा लास्ट 2 स्टेंजास I will explain them tomorrow. Inshallah, it is enough for today. Goodbye.